Now, Yemen's government has confirmed it will attend UN-sponsored talks with Houthi rebels. The discussions are aimed at ending the ongoing fighting in the country, which has killed more than 5,000 people. A spokesman for the Yemeni government said a letter explaining the decision will be delivered to the UN Secretary General. Local officials in Yemen say Saudi-led coalition jets targeting Houthis may have killed 30 pro-government fighters by mistake. The bombings struck the province of Taiz and reportedly also wounded 40 soldiers. It's the latest in a series of friendly fire incidents during the coalition's campaign in Yemen.